Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert XRP to USDT in Kucoin. It's really easy, but you must have an account on Kucoin. If you do not have an account on Kucoin, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses and gifts when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, simply head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll from the overview to the funding or trading accounts, depending on where your crypto is stored. As you can see, we have our XRP available. Head back to the home icon. Simply select the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Once there, search for XRP USDT by using the trading option. That's XRP. Once you've selected XRP USDT, simply click on the sell option. Now, select the market. That's markets. This is us basically buying at the current price of the market. So by clicking sell XRP, we're going to be selling XRP and gaining USDT in return. So click on sell XRP, click on max, and click on sell. And then proceed to enter the order. And now you can simply reload the site. You can simply reload the mode. And here we go. The order has been confirmed. Head back to the assets menu, reload, and boom, the USDT has been deposited. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.